When your oil pressure gauge starts giving low or inconsistent readings, it can create unnecessary worry about your engine's health. This compact but essential oil pressure gauge fitting is designed to solve that exact problem, helping restore accurate readings so you can drive with confidence again. It is made specifically for use with short-sweep electric oil pressure gauges, ensuring proper compatibility and dependable performance. Manufactured in the United States, this vehicle-specific component is built with quality materials to deliver consistent results over long-term use. The fitting features a 1/8 NPT male thread and includes a 1/4 NPT adapter, making installation straightforward across compatible setups. Its precise threading allows for a secure, leak-free connection, helping your gauge receive correct pressure signals without fluctuation or loss. Despite its small size, this part plays a critical role in protecting your engine. Incorrect oil pressure readings can lead to unnecessary repairs or overlooked issues. By installing the correct adapter, you ensure your gauge reflects real engine conditions, allowing you to make informed maintenance decisions. Many users have found that once installed, their oil pressure readings return to normal operating ranges, even after months of continued use. With compact package dimensions and a lightweight design, this fitting is easy to handle and install, whether you are working in a garage or at home. It is a practical, cost-effective solution compared to replacing an entire gauge system, making it an excellent choice for both experienced mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Before purchasing, confirm compatibility with your specific vehicle and gauge setup to ensure proper fitment. If you are experiencing unreliable oil pressure readings, this simple upgrade may be exactly what your engine needs. Check the product link in the video description to get yours today, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover more reliable automotive parts and practical upgrades for your vehicle.